Hello guys, now I will show you how to make chili paneer. Chili paneer is being dusting in this bowl with the corn flour. On the other side, chili paneer masala will be ready in this pan. First oil, then it's putting garlic chop, ginger chop, chili dice, onion dice, capsicum, 3 pepper capsicum dice, and spring onion. It's being sauté and still come the brown color and flavor. I hope you are understanding. It's being sauté and the chef is making his very experience on making food. I hope you are understanding. See his style. Wow, this is stock water. If you don't know how to make stock water, search on YouTube, you will get. And then chili paste and tomato ketchup, chili paste, tomato ketchup, then soy sauce, white pepper, and spring onion, again coriander chop, mixing corn flour and water. In that bowl, corn flour and water mix. That is, wow, what a style for making Chinese food. Chili paneer, oh my god, how is this style? Chili paneer, dusting chili paneer fried. I hope you are understanding. Wow, what a style. If you think this video is good, like this and subscribe the channel for this kind of video. And wow, what a nice plating. Can you see the chili paneer? Very nice color and it's look delicious. Now I feel to eat this chili paneer. On the top, spring onion,